I came across somebody's backpack,
I actually call it a satchel.
and you would not believe what was inside of it. A saw.
That's for smashing stuff.
A shovel.
That's for smashing stuff.
A toy? What is this? What is this?
Oh, trap cameras for finding Bigfoot.
A pitcher of water.
When you're going cross country, hydration is key.
A little baby knife?
A little knife. I got hungry one day and ate the big one.
A torch?
Got to be able to see in the underground caves.
What?
Sometimes there's some pretty odd things in people's packs. One of those such people from actually, again, the Bible, love to share the word with all the B&B out there, was this guy named Ehud. I'll give you a quick context. The children of Israel were in grave danger. They had been overrun by this really big, it was the only guy that the Bible called a very fat man. This big king who was really just, destroying the people of Israel. And they cried out to the Lord for help, and the Lord sent them this deliverer, Ehud, and he was a left-handed man. So it says this in Judges 3. But when the children of Israel cried out to the Lord raised up a deliverer for them, Ehud, the son of Gera, the Benjamite, a left-handed man. And it says, now Ehud made himself a dagger. It was double-edged and a cubit in length, so pretty big, it's about 1.5 foot dagger, and fastened it under his clothes on his right thigh. One, you didn't really carry daggers back then, you carried swords, and you never put it on your right thigh, right? Because if you were left-handed, that was considered weak. So people would have thought, what is this guy packing? A dagger? And he's putting it on his side where he's not even going to be able to use it? He actually snuck it past the guards of the king who was, torturing the Israelites, and was able to use it to kill that king and deliver the Israelites. And this king had done some terrible things to the Israelites. It was a good way for justice to be done. Yeah, you might make fun of what's in other people's packs, but sometimes the Lord has told them to pack something that might be a little bit weird to you. And he might tell you to pack something weird too. If he tells you to put something in your pack that you're not used to, listen to him. He's got a purpose for it that might deliver a lot of people from stuff that's kept them in bondage for a long time. God bless you guys. Have a great day.